The edge is clamped to the base. We use a screwdriver to nudge the edge flush to the base. Then a drop of glue is added every few inches. Activator spray makes the glue cure instantly. Next is bending the nose and tail. Bending edges sucks. Onward to my favorite part. Not bending edges sucks. The base is flipped so we can check that the edge is bent precisely to the curves. We use this custom-built tool to bend the edge around the base curves. It takes a lot of work to get this precise. When the edge is bent perfect to the base, it won't pop out during impacts. If you know somebody who bends edges often at a factory or for their own board brand, buy them a drink or thank them. Some brands have machines that do this, but it still requires handwork to get perfect, and is definitely a skill that develops over time.
We flip this thing again to glue the ends. We use a lot of clamps. I love clamp. I wear this love t-shirt to balance out my hatred for bending these edges. Almost done. Just have to snip the ends and glue it all down. Wait, we still have to do the other end. God damn it.